Come test drive the 2026 Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 miles per gallon and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, navigation system, LED headlights, power liftgate, traction control, stability control, lane departure warning. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.